Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view like posts that you've liked and like you've commented on, like basically like your past activity on Instagram. So select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to select your activity, and here you can view the posts you've liked here, the posts you've commented on, the photos you're tagged in, and like sticker responses. There's also like reviews for like shops. You can also like find recently deleted stories. I think I'm not sure if they have recently deleted like posts. I think they only have it for stories, I think. And there's also like content that you've shared here and suggested content as well. You're just going to like select on each one by one. Can't show you all of it one by one, but like that's it, I guess. Here's the post that I've liked. I don't really want to show it because like I don't want to like show like my friends on here, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!